Hello there and welcome back to my tutorial. Today I will show you how to hide status bar, so let's get started. Here I have already created a new project. So basically I have three view controllers over here and I will show you two ways of hiding the status bar. So one is like explicitly telling one view controller to hide the status bar for that specific view controller, and for the next step I will show you how to hide status bar for whole application. Okay, so let's get started. And I have not created two more view controller files, as you can see. So for the first method, hiding explicitly for one view controller, just go to your view controller file and type prefer, and it will autocomplete to prefer status bar hidden. Hit enter, open parentheses, the curly braces, and just return true, and let's run the application. So this is basically my view controller file for first view controller. So we will not be able to see the status bar over here, but if I say go to 2, we see the status bar. Go to 3, we still see the status bar. Okay, so I'll just comment this part out, and now let's run the application and see for our first view controller. So it has the status bar, has. Okay, so now we need to hide status bar for all the view controllers. So first go to your info.plist file and click add, and here we will say view, and it will autocomplete to view controller based status bar appearance, and just hit enter and it will say no, let it be. Go back to your app delegate file, and under did finish launching with options we will say just type UI application dot shared dot is status bar hidden and set it to true, and run the application again. And so the status bar is not in the first view controller, not in the second view controller, and not in the third view controller. But what if you want it to appear on the first view controller and not to appear on any of the rest of the view controller? So what you can do is you can perform this method, and first we will go to view controller, and we need two more methods. We need to override view will appear, and another one is view will disappear. Okay, so first here we will override super.view will appear with animated, and here we will say UI application dot shared dot is status bar hidden, and we will set this to false. And here I'll just make some spaces. So here we will say super dot view, view did disappear, and here we will pass in the same animated object. So this comes from here. Okay, so that's simple. And here we will set it to true, so basically it will hide again, and true, and we will not be seeing status bar in the rest of the two view controllers. So let's run. So okay, it's still there. Oh, it's not here. It's not here. Oh yeah, so we wanted the status bar for the first view controller. I just got a bit confused. Let's run the application again and check it out. So basically we have the status bar in our first view controller, and if we go to second view controller there is no status bar. If you go to third view controller there is still no status bar. So you can perform this method and hide status bar. So that's it, and if you have any questions post them in comments. If you like my video, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Happy coding.